the online coaching model as a profitable business for you in 2019 to get you started. Now if that is of interest to you, then stick around because I'm going to go into detail after this. See you then. Hi, this is Jen Edwards Robinson from Burnout to Breakthrough.com, and I help create your freedom lifestyle business so you can get your life back. Great, welcome back. Obviously, you are wanting to set up your online business and you are thinking that a coaching business is an online business model for you to explore. Perfect. But if you are new to this channel, let's just get all the intro stuff out the way. Feel free to click like, hit that subscribe button and also that notification button, because I am dedicated in making daily videos for you to create a freedom lifestyle business so you can get your life back. And also feel free to comment in the comment box below. Where are you from in the world? That is the beauty of going online. I've travelled to now 46 countries. I absolutely love being the globe trotter. So let me know where you are and hopefully our paths might even meet and cross one day soon. So the online business coaching model. So this is for you if you already have an offline business. So I've actually run 4 offline businesses before. I've set up 4 indoor cycling studios, 2 in China, in Shanghai, and also 2 here in England, in Leeds. And what I essentially did, I transitioned all my offline expertise, knowledge and services from offline to online. And if that's where you are right now, you're in a service-based business and you feel it's time now for you to change and create more, because you're actually wanting to create more flexibility and freedom in your lifestyle, then this online coaching model business is definitely for you, because it's quite a relatively easy migration from offline to online. And an interesting fact for you, just to wow you here, is that of October 2018, this is when it was recorded, there were 1.9 billion websites out there. Now, that just proves, in my eyes anyway, that the opportunities are just huge. And being an offline business owner, you probably have a website anyway and a few other things that's actually needed to create your online business. So that's why I love helping you guys in particular, because you are already in that mindset, because you already have that passion, that entrepreneurial spirit that's needed to go online anyway, and you actually have a lot of the tools also just to migrate online. So yes, the coaching model for you, but what do you actually need? What do you actually, what's the process you might need to consider and go through in order to create your coaching model? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go through 4 points. And the first thing that you would need to establish to then put your business online is you need to know your niche. Now, nailing down your niche, as it were. Now, you might think if you already have an offline service-based business, well, that's easy because I'm already serving, my right clientele and I'm making profit, and that's amazing. But it's a bit of a mindset journey, and I must share my story because, just to give some context here, it's not as straightforward, and that's why you really need to nail down your niche. So for example, 4 offline indoor cycling studios, and it made sense at the time that maybe I should be helping people lose weight, and I did consider that for a while, because of all the spinning and what obviously indoor cycling does. If you are attending spin classes, obviously it's very effective and it helps you immensely to lose weight if that's where someone is. However, when I tried to transfer that onto as an online business, I didn't quite resonate with that. And with every respect to those who are trying to lose weight out there right now, I didn't quite have as much passion to help people lose weight. So I actually struggled to find my niche. You might have thought it'd be quite an easy or an obvious transition, but for me it wasn't. So it is a bit of a process to actually nail down the niche, because you need to find out if there's a niche that you can cater for and serve online. If they have enough disposable income to buy into the services that you want to offer online, and if actually you want to work with them, because most online courses are between sort of 4 to 12 weeks. You are basically going to be selling the idea of a perceived result at the end. That's what they buy into as a high ticket sale. So you need to be wanting to work with the niche in the first place. And there's other things as well, but basically that's the number one thing that you need in order to start your online coaching business. Now, the second one is that you need to utilise your social media platforms. Now, again, if you already are an offline business owner, then you would already no doubt have your Facebook account. You might use Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn as well. So we would need to work together and basically utilise those platforms already. And to start off with, it's always good to know, going back to your niche, where your niche actually hangs out, because you might find they might just do LinkedIn or YouTube and Facebook and not so much Instagram or Twitter. So again, it's always important to narrow down your niche first to then utilise your social media platforms. So that's the second point that you need to look into and build when looking into your coaching model. Now, the third point here is for you to really understand and get your head around and implement organic growth strategies. So what do I mean by organic? Organic growth. I'll put S for strategies and run out of space there. So obviously, when it comes to marketing, you've got organic and also pays advertising techniques. And I always do believe, and it's great to invest in shortcuts, and paid advertising is amazing. And I know many people in my circle of friends in the online world who are absolutely killing it when it comes to Facebook marketing. But again, before you get a little bit too excited by that, I believe it's best for you, if you're just starting out, you've got to be able to walk before you can run. And in order to really nail down your niche and then work out how they do things online first, would that only be then beneficial to put your money into Facebook marketing, in my opinion. I think it's a very worthwhile practice to really understand the organic growth strategies involved in your chosen social media platforms, because I want to set your expectations correctly from the get-go, and it's all about knowing and understanding that any online business is a long game. There are no overnight successes in any business model that you choose to adopt when going online, and the coaching business model is no different from the rest that you might hear of. So I think it's imperative and essential to your online success to really have an idea of the growth strategies that will work for you in your online business. So that's what you would need as a third point. And the fourth one would be to be great at closing. So closing the sale. Now, the word sale sometimes can feel a little bit icky to some people, and I absolutely get that. So there's like a connotation around selling, that it can be a bad thing and no one likes to be sold to. But you just need to change the way you approach the idea of selling. You're in business to serve people, to help people. You have a message out there, you're on a mission to, cater for the needs of your particular client market, ideal clients. And you need to be able to sell effectively in order to be in business in the first place. And going online is no different. You need to be able to talk to your clients in a way that would able to communicate your message, and so they understand that what you're offering to them is of value to them, that can help them. if you think about selling as serving instead of selling to them, that becomes a softer or a nicer way to approach the sales calls that you might have in your online coaching business model. So there are so many techniques. This is a very big area, and I've enjoyed learning about this along my journey. All the tactics. It's, by the way, it's not manipulation or anything like that. If you think about it, we're actually selling and closing people on a daily basis. For those who have kids, raise your hand and comment in the box below there if you have little ones. I've got a 3.5-year-old, and you're always sort of selling the idea of something. Like if I need to, for example, get Oscar out the door quickly, I'm like, oh, come on, Oscar, quickly, so we can do this and do, it's just an ongoing thing. Don't bribe, obviously, I'm not saying about sweets, but as an example, when you're a parent, you are always selling the idea of something. If you were to get your shoes on quickly, we can then get to the beach quicker, things like that. So closing a sale is definitely a strong part of your online coaching business model. So hopefully that's given you a very good idea into the coaching model as a profitable online business for you in 2019, and I will see you in the next video. And if you want more, then stay tuned because I've got so much more I want to share and offer to you, and helping clients with a coaching model it is just one of my favourite things to do. So anyway, I'll speak to you soon. Bye. Many thanks Breakthrough for hanging out with me online, and remember to like, subscribe and hit that notification button, as I'm dedicated in creating daily videos for you to learn how to build a freedom lifestyle business from scratch. Also, feel free to hang out with me and other breakthroughs in my closed Facebook group called the Breakthroughs Hangout. The link is in the description box below. Here's to your online business success.